So now I'm just walking down from Pier 8, and you can see Queen's Pier in the background. There's a species here which is on our list. This is a kind of medium-sized tree. It doesn't get much bigger. I mean, it can get a bit bigger than that, but not much. And this is Hibiscus tiliaceus. Hibiscus tiliaceus. And I've stopped here because we can actually see the flowers of Hibiscus tiliaceus. Let me just zoom in. We can see these kind of little, these quite attractive lemon yellow flowers. Right. There's one in the middle of the shop there, and then you can see the kind of heart-shaped leaves, which are quite distinctive. It's an evergreen tree, and it's one of its main attributes is that it's very salt tolerant. So it's really great tree to grow at the on the seafront because it's very resilient, but it's not very strong in typhoons, and in typhoons it gets broken quite easily. I don't really. I mean, and here you'll see later on when we go to some estuary area or natural waterfront area, we'll see that this tree doesn't actually naturally grow like this. It usually grows with multi-stems, not with one trunk like that. It usually grows multi-stem like a gigantic shrub, and very messy, but very well adapted for. It will grow almost. I mean, not in the sea. It's not a mangrove, but you often find it near to mangroves, on a slightly higher up, out above the high water mark, and often on beaches here. So it's artificially planted, of course, here. I mean, this land was only reclaimed like 20-something years ago, and it's a single trunk specimen, but that's not natural. It's been specially grown like that for this urban situation. I'm not a huge fan of it personally, as an urban tree, but anyway, it has its uses. Let's just have another quick look at the flower before we go. The lemon yellow hibiscus flower, Hibiscus tiliaceus.